In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a text box in Microsoft Word. Text boxes are a quick way to call out key points, add side notes, or create simple designs without complicated formatting. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish, and by the end, you'll be comfortable adding your own. First, open your document and look to the top of the screen for the ribbon, which is the row of tabs like Home, Insert, and Layout. Click the Insert tab. This tab is where Word keeps tools for adding extra elements to your page, and it's exactly where the text box command lives. Once you're on the Insert tab, find the group labeled Text. It's usually toward the right side of the ribbon. In that group, click the button that says Text Box. Depending on your window size, you might see just an icon, but it will still be called Text Box when you hover over it. When you click Text Box, a drop-down gallery appears with a variety of styles. These are ready-made designs that match your document's theme and save you time. Look for the built-in section. You'll see options like simple rectangles, shaded callouts, and titles with subtle borders. Pick the one that fits the look you want. Don't worry about getting this perfect on the first try. You can always pick a different style later by repeating the same selection process. As soon as you select a style, Word places a text box on your page. It comes pre-filled with sample or placeholder text, so you can see how it looks in context. Click directly inside the text box to activate it. Then start typing your own content. If you want to clear out the placeholder text first, just select it and delete, or simply start typing to replace it. Use this space for anything that needs emphasis: a quote, a short note, or a caption. When you're done entering your text, click anywhere outside the text box to finish. This tells Word you're no longer editing the box and returns you to the main document. You'll see your text box sitting neatly on the page, styled exactly as you chose, and your regular text cursor will be back in the document area so you can continue working. That's all there is to it. Open the Insert tab, choose Text Box from the text group, select a built-in style, type your content, and click outside to finish. It's a small skill that makes a big difference in how clearly your document communicates.